how to edit a PDF in Word. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Microsoft Word tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit a PDF using Microsoft Word. So we don't have to download Adobe Acrobat or any third-party software. We can just use Microsoft Word. This is great if you have a PDF that maybe has a typo in it, or you want to change anything about the PDF. Using this method, we can edit the PDF in any way we like. All right, so the first thing we need to do to get started is simply open up Microsoft Word on our computer. So I'm going to do that real quick. Once Word opens, go over in the left sidebar right here and select Open. And then under Open, select Browse. This will open up a window where then we just need to find the PDF that we want to edit on our computer and then just open up the PDF. Once you do that, you'll get a window from Microsoft Word that says that it is going to convert the PDF to an editable Word document. So go ahead and select OK. And depending on the size of your PDF, this may take a couple minutes. So once it's done, the PDF will then become a Word document where then you can edit it. And I can fix things like if this age is actually 34, I can change that. I can also delete and then add new images if I want to do that. I can change anything about this Word document. Once I'm done editing the Word document and I want to save it as a PDF again, to do that, all I need to do is select File up in the top left, then go down to Save As, and then over here to the right where you come up with the name, all we need to do in the drop-down is go down and select PDF, and then Save. Once you save it, the PDF will then open, and you can now see your new PDF that you created using Microsoft Word. All right, so that's how you edit a PDF with Word. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Microsoft Word tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.